So these are some of the road well construction workers on site today on Sunday. So guys, welcome to my channel once more. Frederick Kubiri is my name. I am in Otokutu Junction at the moment, and I'm trying to find my way towards the Opete Road that is under construction. And you know, Opete is in the Udu Local Government Area. So guys, today we are bringing you an exclusive coverage from Udu Local Government Area in Delta State, where the Opete Road construction is making a remarkable progress. Join us as we take an in-depth look at these roads or vital roads and drainage projects now nearing completion at a striking 90% in asphalt lane. Whether you are from Otokutu Junction, Plantation City, New Jersey, New Haven, or anywhere in Opete community, this development is about to change your daily life. The Opete Road project was flagged off earlier this year by the Delta State government, aiming to transform transportation infrastructure within Udu Local Government Area, stretching from the busy Otokutu Junction, passing major estates like Plantation City, New Jersey, New Haven, and other parts of the community. These roads serve as a vital link to numerous parts of the Opete community, because upon my visits, I found out that apart from these major link roads, there are other notable roads that are under construction in this estates. In these roads, you see some link roads within the communities that are being asphalted already. That means there is a vital development coming to this Opete community. Even from the look of things, you see that a lot of business are springing up. So once complete, the road promise to ease traffic congestion, boost property value, expand access, invigorate business and social activities in the area. So right now, from the interview I have with one of those engineers on site, there's this Arabic man. I discussed with him. He told me, say right now, we are about 90% done with this asphalt work. The drainage system is 95% complete, and in just a few weeks, the entire length of the road will be ready for public. So these are some of the one-on-one interview that I have with some of the workers on site. And even me looking at you, you see that the work has gone far. It's just some few that maybe by the time they work for like 1 week or thereabout, they should be able to finish the first push of the asphalt. Then maybe they will come back to Otokutu Junction to do the finishing. Then probably put the sign a design that they normally put on a newly constructed road, just like the way it was done in a Udu Road. I think the same company, look well, the same company uh, that are handling this projects. They are the same company handling this project. So the same company that handle that Udu Road are the one that are equally handling this roads at the moment. I think Roadwell is the contractor handling this project. They call it Roadwell Construction Limited. They are the one handling this project. I think they were equally the one that handled that of the Uti area. By the time they did the first layout of asphalt, they now put in the second layout before they put all those normal signs that normally put on the road. And I believe this Opete Road will not be left out from what I saw on this route. So if you take a breakdown of this impressive project, you see that the road cover approximately 5 kilometers from Motokutu Junction, heading down to the river side of Enere, where you have the Bolowai Resort beach, then even through Key Estate and the community. The construction includes dual drainage channel, ensuring water management and flood prevention for both the roads and nearby residents. The layer of soft base and base coat have been laid, and now we have the final coat of smooth, high-grade asphalt, as I earlier mentioned before. And some of the key features include widening lanes to accommodate traffic, sidewalk, and pedestrian walkway near residential estates. The only thing is that most of these drainage systems were not covered. I don't know what they have in mind, whether they are going to cover the entire drainage system in these roads. So one of the central challenges in the city has always been flood management, especially during heavy raining season. So from the engineers interview, people that I discussed with, they said this road was notorious for getting washed out, damaging properties, and making a station impassable. With the new double-sided drain system, which is almost done, we expect to see a major reduction in flooding. The drains are deep and wide enough to channel stormwater out quickly and safely. Residents from Plantation Estate, New Jersey Estate, New Haven, and other notable residential buildings that are within this axis will particularly benefit as this area experiences recurrent waterlogging. The improved drainage now redirect all runoff, protecting homes, vehicles, and the community's space. Now let us see what this development means for people living and walking along the Opete Road corridors. Residents in Plantation Estates in New Haven. So these are some of the road well construction workers on site today on Sunday. They said we have had a horrible experience with bad roads. Sometimes we could not even drive our cars in rainy season. But with this new road and drainage, life will be easier and property values are already rising. And if you even take a look, when I was passing through the road, I saw that a lot of businesses have sprung up. Hotels, laughed at, block industry, even welders, mechanics, electrical shops, people that sell tires and so on and so forth. Even a filling station, that is a gas station, we are all springing up in this area. You see a lot of filling station coming up here and there. Last year or beyond, you won't find all these things in Opete. But as we speak now, because of this new development that has come up by occasion of this route, a lot of changes has come up to this Opete community. So guys, that Arabic Mr. Faiz said I should not put him on the video, but I think they are doing a very massive work in that area. So guys, just take a look at what they have done. Even today being Sunday, they are working. Sunday 14th of December 2025. Maybe they want to meet up with a particular target on this Sunday. So guys, this is a popular Bolowai resort center. From all indication, you see that this road is going to bring in economic value to this area by the time this road is fully completed. So guys, this is the popular Bolowai resort center right here in the Opete area, Udu Local Government Area of the Delta State. And this road is heading towards the side of the river. So guys, just share your thoughts on what you are seeing below. And the business owner that are near Otokutu Junctures, they said since more cars are on the road means more customer, transporters, mechanics, food vendors, everyone will all benefit by virtue of this new road that has sprang up in OPT. So like most of the estate and the people that like in this, as they said, our kids will now be able to walk to school without crossing the waterlogged path and so on and so forth. So guys, thank you for this time you spent with me. So guys, let me walk you through to the other side of this area where you have the river, because at the moment with what I'm seeing here show that they stop this construction somewhere around this place where you have this coverts, or maybe they have other reason why they stop it, because we are hearing a rumor that this other end is going to have something like a flyover bridge. We don't know yet. We don't know what the state government have in mind on this other side of the area, because in this area I saw people taking a walk to the river side. That is why I want to walk you towards the river side so that we see what this area has for us and the economic values that this road will bring to us if it is connected to this Enere river. Because when you visit this area, you see that people who are supposed to be coming through the other side of Otokutu going down to Enere Junction, this route become an easier route for them to access Enere instead of passing through the other axis of maybe going to a full runabout or PTI Junction to take a keke, a ride that will take them to Enere. With this road, it is easier to pass through. So this is some of the Monkey Bridge where people normally pass to get to the river side by entering a canoe with a fare of 100 to 200 naira that will cross them over to the other side of the Enere market. Then that's so. That's so. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, bros. Thank you. So, guys, I think this is from what they said, this is where the road is going to end formally. And from the rumor we are hearing, maybe bridge will come out of this place, because that is what we had. So we don't know yet. But from what we are hearing, there's going to be a bridge in this place, flyover bridge, that will lead here to the other side of Enere, and it's going to be an easy uh, walkway for commuters and pedestrians. So guys, thank you for following me to this extent on this new discovery, this exploration from Opete down to uh, Naira. See you. So guys, I have been taking a walk round from Opete Junction, Otokutu Junction Axis, where you have the plantation city, down to this area of Bolowai Resort Center, and subsequently the road is coming to this area where you have this culvert here now. Maybe probably that is where they want to stop the road at this moment, or maybe they will proceed further to the river. You know, I've taken a walk down to the river. I've seen people who are passing through this road take a canoe then to the other side of Enere market, because that is the route they are passing. So guys, from what I saw in this area, show that by the time this road is fully completed, it's going to add economic value to this area. People who are doing business in this area, they are going to have access, and equally it's going to ease the traffic congestion that we normally see in the Enere Junction area, all those areas, because somebody that want to come to maybe Otokutu, you don't need to go to Enere, don't need to go to Enere Junction, then from Enere Junction down to maybe a roundabout before taking a keke to this, or go to Express Junction before taking keke to this. And likewise, vice versa, people that are coming from this Otokutu DSC area, if you are going towards an area, you don't need to pass through this. You just take your bike down, but you know you're already in an area market. So guys, by the time this project is fully completed, it's going to enhance traffic flow in this area. So if you like what you see on this video, give my videos a thumbs up, because I believe this video has resonated some value to you. And from what I said earlier, we are hearing a rumor that there's going to be a flyover bridge somewhere along this area. I don't know. By the time the government is done, maybe they will be able to come out officially to tell us that, oh, this is where they want to put the bridge, or maybe in the other side, because we are hearing of the second Udu bridge. But I don't know whether this is where this thing is going to be. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like what you see on this video, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Ubiri is my name, so that you can see more of this video whenever I put up a new upload. Then remember to buy me coffee, so that by so doing, I can be able to move around to give you updates in different parts of the Nigeria and beyond. So thank you. See you in my next video.